The description area. As previously stated, this area is where string variables, record variables, array variables, and user-defined type data is stored. User-defined type shape data. This data takes the form of record size as an integer, component count, or field count as a byte, and integer values representing each field in the type. An example is the registers type, taken from the connect procedure in the RIB software application. Source statement, type register, CC, A, B, DP, byte, LX, LY, LU, integer. Entry code, 000A, record size. 64, component count. 61B2, CC. 01B7, A. 01BB, B. 01BF, DP. 01C4, LX. 01C9, LY. 01CE, LU. Note that the value of the component count byte does not match the number of fields or components in the type. Also, the most significant byte of the first field does not represent the same value as the most significant bytes of the other fields. I have no explanation for this at this time. I don't know exactly what the field values represent, but if there are more type statements defined here, each one has its first field's least significant byte value greater than the last field's least significant byte value of the previous type, and each successive field value ascends from there. An example is the previous type data in the connect procedure. Source statement, type PAS, PZone, PNet, PNode, integer, PW, PW2, PW3, PW4, 8-character strings. Entry code, 0006, offset relative to the start of the record. 0008, size of PW. 000E, offset relative to the start of the record. 0008, size of PW2. 0016, offset relative to the start of the record. 0008, size of PW3. 001E, offset relative to the start of the record. 0008, size of PW4. 0026, record size. 64, component count. 6179, PZone. 0181, PNet. 0188, PNode. 0190, PW. 0195, PW2. 019B, PW3. 01A1, PW4. Note that the last field of this type, PW4, has the value A1 in the least significant byte, where CC in the registers type has the value B2 in its least significant byte. Also note that any string, array, or record variable defined as a field of a record has its shape data defined immediately before the type shape data. The entry for the variable dimension to that type is entered into this area as source statement, dimreg, register. Entry code, 044F, data memory offset. 000A, record size. Strings. Strings have the same definition as records. Unless these occur as an entry in the symbol table, string variable references in the ICode area point directly to this table. An example is source statement, dim bytean string, 6. Entry code, 0B8C data memory offset address. 0006 size of the string. Arrays. Arrays have more fields in their entries into this table. For vector arrays, the form taken is integer, integer, integer with an additional integer if the array is type string or record. The fields define data memory address, size of the variable, number of vector elements, and the size of the string or record if applicable. For table arrays, the number of table elements is inserted before the number of vector elements, and for matrix arrays, the number of matrix elements is inserted before the number of table elements. An example, taken from Connect, is source statement, paraminfo, 12 string, 32. Entry code, 12F5 data memory offset. 0180 size of the array. 000C number of vector array elements. 0020 size of one string. This video ends here. The next video covers the symbol table. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please press that thumbs up if you like the video and believe you have gained something from it.